Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the RedotPay card design. So if you have previously selected any other RedotPay card design and now you want to change it, so without making any of extra payments, you can definitely go ahead and do so absolutely for free. So first of all, simply launch your RedotPay app and then log in into your account. Now over here, if you don't have an account on RedotPay yet, you can use the link that is given in the description in order to get $5 absolutely for free as a welcome bonus. Plus, I've also linked some of the coupon codes that you can use in order to apply for the virtual cards and the physical cards. Now over here, as you can see, this is my virtual card and its color is pink. Now over here on the top, you are going to see this circle with bunch of different colors. So you need to simply tap on it. Now you will be landed here on this card design section where you can choose a bunch of different types of designs. So currently the FIFA World Cup is going on. So that's why there are a bunch of different teams colors that you can select. You can select any of these and you will see that these card designs are absolutely free. You can also select the option of exclusive and you can select these options. Similarly, you can go to the solid colors and you can select any of these solid colors available. Then you can tap on the option of owned and it is going to show you which card you are currently using. So let's say I go to exclusive and I'm going to select this particular color. Now after selecting it, you just have to simply tap on the option of get this design free and there you go, you have the new card design unlocked. So tap on the option of set design, select your virtual card and then tap on the option of confirm. So as you can see, this is how you can change your RedotPay card design. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.